EA500H9 rental LED panel is an innovative LED display screen. It boasts the quick installation and portability typical of rental LED displays, while also incorporating magnetic LED modules for easier maintenance. EA500H9 rental LED panel features a removable back cover for convenient and quick repairs, and includes an internal waterproof design. Protective plates are added to the four corners for enhanced protection during transportation and installation. Thanks to the magnetic design, combined with the front and rear maintenance structure, the LED modules can be maintained from either the front or rear, greatly simplifying the installation process and significantly improving maintenance efficiency.